Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I'm just going to see if the volume's up. It is. How are you guys? So I'm back to work. Yeah, I was off for a while. And I had to spend some time with my mom. And we got ready for the holidays. And now, all that cooking and baking and cleaning and cooking and baking and cleaning is over. Oh my God. It's amazing how much work goes into getting ready for a holiday. And then in a split second, it's done, right? Oh my God. Well, anyways, it's still a little chilly here in Toronto. It's not freezing out, so I can go for my power walk, which I'm excited about. And it's calling for a lot of rain, and in some parts snow. And I know in some areas there is a lot of snow. So I'm not complaining with some rain. I'd rather have rain than snow any day. Makes for better driving. And walking. I can go out and walk at least, right? And if I can't, then I use my treadmill. I was on my treadmill yesterday. And all my hair's all inside here. Oh, well. Okay, well, you can't look gorgeous when you go walking. Who cares, right? Anyways, or I'll use my exercise ball or my hula hoop or my air climber I love. I posted a video to show people what an air climber is because I absolutely love my air climber. And for people that have trouble with their knees, it takes the pressure off. Depends on how badly your knees are, but it's much better for your knees. So just wanted to tell you that. And I just wanted to talk to you guys about non-scale victories. I know it's really important to see that scale go down and the numbers. That is very motivating, but there's so many other things to make you feel good about your journey, okay? So that's what I just wanted to say to you guys. Look at all the things that you can do now. I know for a lot of people getting off their medication, number one is your health, right? And getting off your medications. I know so many people, once they've lost the weight, they can get off their medications. Some people that have horrible stomach issues and heartburn because their stomach has rised. One of my issues was I had a hiatus hernia because my stomach was so high, and as soon as I lost weight, it disappeared. Different things like that. Putting seatbelts on. That was another issue. Going into a car and being embarrassed that the seatbelt. Years ago, they weren't as long as they are now. Or getting on an airplane. Or even if you go with your children to amusement parks and getting on a ride for the first time again. Or going skating or tobogganing with your children. Or yourself. You don't have to go with kids to enjoy yourself doing all these fun activities. Being in public and feeling, so much more confident. Going to parties because you're able to go and buy that new outfit. And show off that nice little figure. And even if you haven't got, I'm switching hands because my hand's getting tired. But even if you aren't exactly where you want to be right now, there's so many things to be proud of. I couldn't walk more than a block. It's true. My sister had to take me by the hand and schlep me. And I was huffing and puffing. And now look at, you set small goals and then you make them larger and more challenging, and you'll see how far you can go. Exercise goals. And even with food goals, if you haven't tried different recipes, I'm cooking so much more and trying different fruits and trying different vegetables. And that's exciting, right? Going into the supermarket and looking at your nutritional facts and your sodium and your saturated fat and how much protein is in things that you wouldn't have done before. That's really amazing. So, going to a restaurant and being in control, saying to them, I don't want so much oil. I want the dressing on the side. I want it lightly battered, or I want it grilled. Being able to feel that you can assert yourself and ask for what you want. Also not let people sabotage you, and say to people, no, thank you. And feeling so empowered that, you're doing what you want to do and that you're in control of this journey, and not let other people be in control of what you're doing. So, there's just so many things to be proud of. I know for me, being able to see my belts, getting looser and putting it on a tighter little hole, and feeling my pants getting bigger and being able to take off your pants without undoing your button. That's amazing. So there's just so many things. Buying new clothes, going out shopping. Oh my God. That's fantastic. And you have to reward yourself with all these different victories, okay? Take yourself to a nice play, go out for a nice meal, buy yourself new clothes or new exercise equipment, or try a new exercise class, do something different. Something out of the box that, and that's what you'll do too. That's another non-scale victory. Trying things that you would never have done before. Traveling, going to different places. Just all these different things that you can do and think about on your non-scale victory journey, okay? I'm having a little bit of a brain freeze. I know there's so many other things that you can be proud of on your journey, right? Of course, right. I'm always right. I'm not always right, but I know from experience. I don't know everything, but I've been doing this for a long time, and just the fact that you're sticking with it and not giving up. Don't ever give up, people. Even if you've gained, I know people have told me they've gained a bunch of weight and they're so mad at themselves. And other people say, well, don't beat yourself up. And it's not that I want you to beat yourself up, but I kind of want you to feel bad about it. Because if you didn't care, then you wouldn't do anything about it, right? And because you do care, you want to do something about it, and you want to be a better person, and you want to have a healthier life. And that's the biggest and the most important thing that I can tell you, is you can't buy your health. Nobody can, and you all know that. So being healthy and staying with this journey will benefit you, obviously, in so many non-scale victory ways. All right. And that's my point of this video, to just keep you motivated, inspired, and encouraged to keep going and think about all the things that you are doing. Even make a list of all the things that you want to do. Make like one of those boards, and I'm switching hands again. My hand's getting tired. I was just looking at how many minutes I'm talking. I know, because I can talk a lot. Yeah, you guys know that. So I just hope this helped you. One of those vision boards, and set little goals. And look at all the things that you're doing and changing in your life to be a better you. Sorry that I keep walking, because I want to get in my steps, right? That's another thing. You can join challenges. You can go try to, go on those marathons. start with like a small one or just walkathons. You don't have to run, you can just walk. So different things that you can do, and write them all out. And those things that you thought you couldn't do, you'll be so surprised and excited that you can one day. All right, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not in a month, and maybe it'll take you some time. For those of you that have to lose a lot of weight, don't look at the 100 pounds or the 50 pounds or the 25 pounds. Look at 5 pounds at a time, because that's more realistic and it's not so overwhelming. All right. All right. So, and remember, slow and steady wins the race. Okay. So this is not a race. It takes time, and it's for life. Okay. I know for me years ago, I used to think, oh, if I didn't lose it fast, then I'd get frustrated and just quit. So just remember, it takes time. And when you take your time, it stays off, people. All right. So that's my spiel for today around non-scale victories. I hope this is helpful for those of you watching, and I hope that you share my videos with other people. And subscribe, people, subscribe, okay? Ring that bell. And I love you, and I know you can do this. I believe in you, and now you need to believe in you as well, okay? Believe in yourself. You can do this. And I'm going to sign off from Toronto so that I can go back on my walk. Bye for now.